In today's fast-paced world, managing finances can often feel like an uphill battle. Yet, the secret to cutting monthly expenses lies in awareness and strategic planning. Imagine standing at the edge of your budget, peering into the abyss of unnecessary costs that can silently drain your wallet. It all begins with a comprehensive budget analysis. Track your spending for a month, categorizing every dollar that leaves your account. This exercise unveils hidden patterns, allowing you to pinpoint areas where your money is slipping away, unnoticed and unchallenged. Next, tackle fixed expenses by questioning their necessity. Consider services like cable subscriptions, gym memberships, or magazine renewals. Picture the weight of outdated commitments lifting off your shoulders as you decide to downgrade or eliminate services that no longer serve you. The same goes for bills like internet and phone plans. Shopping around for better deals is much like hunting for treasure. As you negotiate or switch providers, envision those savings adding up, transforming into opportunities for investment or enjoyment. Variable expenses require just as much attention. Envision a world where you dine out less frequently. The atmosphere of a bustling restaurant fades into the background as you imagine meals prepared at home. Try meal planning, an art form that invites creativity into your kitchen, while healthy and budget-friendly recipes come to life. Each home-cooked meal is not just a feast, but a powerful tool for financial empowerment. Challenge yourself to embrace this shift from convenience to consciousness, nurturing both your body and your bank account. As you employ these strategies, visualize setting firm savings goals. Each dollar saved is like planting a seed in a garden of financial freedom. With discipline and foresight, you can gradually grow a thriving nest egg. Bonus tips include embracing free entertainment options, opting for public transportation, and harnessing the power of coupons. Picture your life simplified and enriched, where conscious spending allows for the occasional splurge without guilt. Follow these steps, and you will unlock the secrets to reducing your monthly expenses, paving the way for a more secure and enjoyable financial future. This journey may at first feel daunting, but with perseverance and creativity, you will find that cutting costs can be liberating rather than limiting.